Welcome to Easel. Easel is an all-in-one CAD, CAM, and control software for CNC machines. In this video, we are going to break down all of Easel's components one by one. To start, we are going to talk about the CAD or computer-aided design side of Easel. The CAD side of Easel is centered around the canvas. The canvas is where design elements are added to create a complete design. To the left of the canvas is the toolbar. The tools on the toolbar allow us to add, edit, arrange, and interact with design elements in our project. Below the canvas are options for changing the measurement units Easel uses, as well as buttons for zooming on the canvas. We can also return to the project visual home. To the right, we have the CAM or computer-aided manufacturing side of Easel. In the center of the CAM side is the 3D preview. This preview shows us the design elements previewed on our chosen material. If a design element is changed on the CAD side, the 3D preview updates. Above the 3D preview are the bit, material, and cut settings. These settings inform how the CNC functions during the carve. We will cover them in more depth in a future video. Below the 3D preview are options for simulating the toolpath. This tool helps with visualizing the movements our CNC will make during a carve. On the bar at the top of the screen, we will find the control portion of Easel. The green carve button is where we initiate a carve. To the right of that, we can find a button for jogging and moving our machine. To the right of that is a button for sharing projects both with individuals or the Easel community at large. Along the left side of the bar, we see a few options. Clicking on the Easel icon takes us to our account overview. To the right of that is our project title. Clicking on it allows us to change it and add a category and labels to the project. Next are a star and check icon. Checking on the star adds the projects to our starred list. The check indicates that the project has been saved. To the right of that is the project dropdown, the edit dropdown, the machine dropdown. Here is where we can see machine-specific settings. Next is the toolbox where we can add bits and materials to our Easel account. Finally, there is the help dropdown. Here we can see what is new with Easel and find resources such as Easel guides and troubleshooting tools. Now, we are going to preview the Easel workflow. To start, we are going to add a design element to our canvas. Now that the text is added, we can see the 3D preview has updated. Now I will simulate my carve to confirm that the toolpath looks good. Then I can click the carve button. This will open the carve setup walkthrough. This is something we will cover in another video as well. Lastly, we will talk about the versions of Easel. When a user first signs up to Easel, they will be given a free trial of Easel Pro. This trial will give them access to all the features Easel Pro has to offer. After the trial is up, users will have the option to subscribe. If they choose not to subscribe, the account will become an Easel free account. Easel free accounts can still design with Pro features, but if they go to carve those designs, they will be asked to subscribe. Please join us for the next video where we'll go over designing in Easel.